In this video, we will show you how to achieve the correct driving position in a Tesla. This information is from the Tesla Driver Manual, and I have included a link to the manual in the description below. The seat, head support, seat belt, and airbags work together to maximize your safety. Using these correctly ensures greater protection. Position the seat so you can wear the seat belt correctly, while being as far away from the front airbag as possible. 1. Sit upright with both feet on the floor and the seat back in an upright position. 2. Make sure you can easily reach the pedals and that your arms are slightly bent when holding the steering wheel. Your chest should be at least 10 inches, or 25 centimeters, from the center of the airbag cover. 3. Place the shoulder section of the seat belt midway between your neck and your shoulder. Fit the lap section of the belt tightly across your hips, not across your stomach. Model Y and Model 3 seats include integrated head supports in the front that cannot be adjusted or removed. That's it. Thank you for watching, and remember to subscribe.